Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to isolate your radiator. By isolate I mean stop it from working. So say you need to replace the radiator, or you just want this one to not work and the rest of the house to be on. This is how you isolate this exact radiator. So there's two ends obviously. So this one controls the temperature. So the way you turn this one off is twist it all the way. So that's the other way. So can you see the numbers are gone higher? You want it the other way. Oh no, never mind. I was going the right way. So you keep going all the way till you're at 0. So now that side's on low temperature, lowest. You won't flow any hot air. Okay, I'll put that back up for now though. Just pretend it's still on 0. Otherwise I'll forget what the setting is. Right. And this side. So that side's known as a thermostat or something. Thermostatic valve. This side is known as I forgot what it's called. Okay, so yeah, this one has this on it. You see, there's a screw. So what you do with the screw, you take off the screw and then you'll pull this cap off. Underneath the cap is just a metal pin that's straight like that, or it'll be at an angle, whatever, and you're going to twist it clockwise to the right. You keep going till it's fully, so you keep going till you can't turn it anymore, and then this side is fully off now, and this is your water flow. So no new water can get in if you turn this side off. Now say your boiler's on and this side is broken and this is fully hot. What you can do is turn this one off like I said, so no new water will get in. It'll still be a little bit hot, will be very tiny hot. You won't feel it, it won't radiate at all after the hot water's basically gone cold. So that's a way to fix that as well if you're staying with the people and they like to keep the radiator on all the time and that side's broken. That's a temporary fix for you. That's what I had to do in an Airbnb. So yeah, well, let me see if I can show you some other one of these ones. One second. That one's got a screw in. The one I had in Airbnb, it was just a turn on. So you just twist it to the right until it shuts off fully. But when you are twisting it, you want to do it very slowly because they can leak. Same on this end, you want to be very slow with it. They can leak. If you do it too quick, you might accidentally open a leak, which you don't want. So let's see what this one is. Is this a screw as well? Yeah, so this one's a screw as well. So same thing again. Unscrew it with a Phillips head, cross head, and then under there will be like a golden pin. You just twist it with the pliers to the right, clockwise, until it shuts off fully where you can't twist anymore. And that side's done. I'm guessing all of mine are like that in my house. Yeah, there will be, most likely. So yeah, that's how you do it anyways guys. Hope that was helpful. I know I couldn't show you because I don't want to mess with all that right now, but it's pretty straightforward. You'll be able to manage. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.